In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the green border when sharing a screen in Zoom. If you've ever shared your screen and found the bright green outline a bit distracting, this quick walkthrough will help you turn it off so you can focus on your content without the visual noise. First, open the Zoom desktop app and head to Settings. You'll find Settings on the main Zoom window, typically in the lower left area. Click it to open the full Preferences panel. If your app layout looks a little different, that's okay. Zoom updates its interface from time to time. The button may appear as a small gear icon, but it takes you to the same place. Inside the Settings window, look for the Share Screen section in the left-hand sidebar and select it. This is where Zoom keeps all the controls that affect how your content is shared and how it appears to you while presenting. Taking a moment to familiarize yourself with this area can be helpful, especially if you share slides, apps, or your full desktop regularly. Now find the group of options labeled something like When I Share or On When I Share. Within that group, look for the option called Show Green Border Around My Shared Content. By default, this is turned on so you can easily see exactly what area of your screen is being broadcast. To remove the border, simply turn this option off, either by unchecking the box or toggling the switch, depending on your version of Zoom. That's it. From now on, when you start a screen share, you won't see the green outline framing your shared region. This change affects what you see locally. It doesn't alter the content your audience receives. Your viewers will still see the same shared window or screen, just without you having to look at the border on your side. If you ever decide you want that visual cue back, for instance, if you're juggling multiple monitors or want a quick confirmation of exactly what's being shared, you can return to the same share screen settings and turn the option back on at any time. And if you don't see the setting where expected, make sure you're in the desktop app's settings and that you're viewing the share screen section. Interface labels can vary slightly across versions. To recap in plain language, open Zoom, go into Settings, choose Share Screen, and turn off Show Green Border Around My Shared Content. Enjoy a cleaner, less distracting sharing experience.